During my vocational qualifications I've learned all aspects of the trade. Like when I first come into the shop I didn't have a clue what was what I had to do and everything. But through my training company, Cambrian, I had help from them, and now I know every aspect of the trade. From different cuts to health and safety, hygiene, everything. They've taught me from start to finish to where I am now. So.
Tommy came over as a really keen student. He just couldn't wait to learn. You show him once and he picks it up straight away, and he wants to have perfection.
As a young lad, I've been on telly twice. I've won a bucket full of awards for my sausages, my burgers and stuff. I strive to be the best. For other young people to come into a route like an MVQ, it'll definitely benefit them. Any trade, if you like what you're doing and you're passionate about what you do, an MVQ can get you to where you need to be.